In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your saved posts on your Threads account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you have any message saved on your Threads account and you can't find it, then follow these steps to find it. First, I'll save this message and show you how to find it. So I'll just tap on the message and then these 3 lines and save the message. Now, suppose you have just logged into your Threads account and you wish to find the saved messages, then go to your Threads profile down here, tap on it and go to settings by tapping on these 2 lines, and you should see now saved. By tapping on saved, here you'll see a list of all the messages or posts that you added to saved list. So you can tap on the messages to see more details. Should you want to remove the messages from the saved list, just tap on the 3 dots once you have opened the message like that, and now you should see we have an option to unsave it. If I tap on unsave, now it has been unsaved, and if I go back and then refresh my account, now you can see the message has been removed from the saved list, and from 2 now I only have 1. So that's how you can find your saved posts on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.